Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add music to your YouTube videos when they're already live on YouTube. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is load up YouTube, and we're going to be clicking on your face on the top right, and we're going to be going to our Creator Studio. Once your Creator Studio opens up, we're going to be coming to our Video Manager on the left, and we're going to be selecting whatever video you want to use for this example. What you want to do is locate where your video is and click the edit option right here. In this case, I already have a video opened up in this other tab. I just have the video named music, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how to add music to the video. To do this, all you want to do is come to your info and settings tab up here, and we're going to be looking for the audio option that's right beside it. Click into the audio option and we'll be given a number of settings we can change around with here. The first thing you do, the video will automatically play, so I'm going to be pausing it, and initially it'll be using the original audio for the music. Then if we come over to the right, we'll see a number of free tracks that YouTube has created that are 100% free for monetization and 100% free to use for any of your YouTube videos, and you'll still be able to make money from your video using this method, and all these audio tracks are 100% free. We can sort the videos by top tracks and then a number of genres. You can select whatever you want here, and you can also search at the bottom for some other music if you want as well. In this case, I'm going to be using the top most popular one here, which is Fridge Trimmed Boots. Click the video and then it'll be added. It's going to be really loud at the beginning, and if we come to the bottom, we should have a couple different options where we can have it playing only music, favoring the music, having it equal, or favoring the original audio. Now, depending on what you're looking for, you can select one of these four options. Favoring the original audio is going to have the original audio of the video more in the forefront, and the rest are going to be more towards keeping the music that you just added in the video. And of course, by selecting only music, it's going to be removing the previous audio track from the YouTube video and replacing it with the new YouTube's audio. Now, by doing this, we have a little bit more freedom with how we add the music to our video, but we don't have the freedom to select the exact decibel range we want for the added music. But it's not too bad. I feel in most cases this is still a nice extra feature. Now, another thing we can do is also position the audio, which if we select this here, we can determine where we want our audio track to start. We can cut and trim if you want it to start at a certain point inside the middle of the track, or if you want it to end it a little bit early inside your track, you can move around where you just want the audio to be played. So if you only want it for a certain section, you can have it at a certain section, or if you want to stretch out and keep finding a later part in the audio, you can do that by grabbing the two ends and moving them around like you can see me doing right now. So you have some flexibility with playing around with the audio track, which I feel is nice for a built-in YouTube feature. When the video is already uploaded, it gives you some extra flexibility with your video. Now, once you're happy with your music, you're happy with where everything is, we have a couple more things in the top we can do. We have revert to original if you're not happy, if you want to start everything again, or if you want to select a different song, you can do it like that. You can save this video as a new video, which doing this will create a duplicate of the video we just made with the new audio track on top of it, or you can click the save button where it will just save the music on top of the video and make it go live on YouTube. So in this case, I'm going to be just saving the video just to show an example. If we click save right now, YouTube will give us another little pop-up saying this might take a while. These changes won't be instant, and while these changes are being made on YouTube side, anyone who watches this video while the changes are still being saved and not fully saved will see the old version of the video. So that's something to keep in mind. If you don't want them to see the old version, it might be better to keep this unlisted until the changes are fully saved. But once you're 100% happy, click the save button on the right hand side, and then the video settings will be saved. And it's that easy to add some extra music to your already live YouTube video. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to leave a link down below to my PayPal if you found this video helpful and you want to support me. I make all these videos for free. I put a lot of work and time into them. I'd really appreciate it if you could support me in any way that you can. You can check those links out below. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.